So we're talking about millions of naira. So when they gave the award, I thought they said first.
You thought they said
they said first.
they said
First. So they said. My name is Idris Shamsidin. I am one of the DSA Koolboks, one of the installers to Koolboks, and one of the maintenance engineer to Koolboks. I've been with Koolboks since 2021. So then when Koolboks was young, I saw somebody who introduced me and I came to their office. Then they were still at Ikeja, in one small office like that, with very small staff then. So then they were still begging people to buy freezer, not now that people are begging them. Because the reason why I said they were still begging people is, I remember there was a customer we gave a freezer to at the rate of 60,000. Freezer, battery, panel, charge control, everything. Even the cost of that thing now is about 1,300,000. That might be very difficult, Elite, but precisely, personally for now, I can't more than 40 or 50. Yes, their commission is okay because what they pay is quite very interesting, which is 15% of the down payment, and that commission is okay. The particular story, I remember vividly, I received a commission. Anyway, not only commission, I received a cash of about 400,000, probably twice, and I just joined it with the little I had to purchase one small piece of land somewhere. So my name is Idris Shamsidin.